What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the wiper blades on a Dodge Magnum. Now this should work for Magnums, Chargers, Challengers, all of that, and for any year. Now I've already changed the passenger side. When they start looking like this, you know, it's time to get some new ones. Probably don't go that long though. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have the correct size. Now on the Magnums, you need two 22-inch wiper blades. Generally on most cars, the passenger side is smaller than the driver's side, but on these, they're the same size. So you need 22-inch blades. I got Rain-X and I got them cheap on Amazon. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So with that said, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is just simply lift the arm up, like so. The second thing you want to do is pull the blade back, and there is a tab right here, right under here. If you can't see it on here, you'll see it in real life, and having a little nail on your finger will help. All right, the next thing you want to do is squeeze that tab, push it down, and then just slide the blade down gently. If you do it too hard, you're gonna mess your finger up. And there you go, to come right off. All right, now go ahead and wipe the J-hook off to make sure this slides on easily. And you're gonna wanna take the new blade and just push that inner piece that hooks onto the J-hook, just push it out. And you're gonna wanna make sure you put it on. Make sure the blades are actually touching the windshield. And just slide it up until it snaps. There you go. Fold it over and put it down. Now that was me showing you how to do it in a pinch, but ideally you want to clean your windshield before you put the new blade on the windshield, especially if you have one of those high-end blades that spread, like the high-end Rain-X, where you got to wipe it on there because it puts some applicator on the windshield. You want to make sure your windshield is clean. But if you in the rain right now, hopefully this is helpful, and I will see you guys next time.